Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your card details on Aliexpress in your laptop. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, on your computer, head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to the Aliexpress website. Once you're in the website, make sure you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, go to your accounts page. Here you can see the accounts option. Now from the list, select payments. Once you're in the payment page, here you can see the card section. There is an add new card button, click on it. Now you'll be prompted with this form. Enter your card details over here. Provide your card number, your name on the card, its expiration date, and the CVV code. Once you enter your informations, click on save. So that's how you can add card details to your Aliexpress account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.